Hi, Johnny.
How's it going?
Great. You look great. Look at where we are. We're in Miami.
Isn't that beautiful?
Yes, it is. You're beautiful, Johnny.
You are.
I love you.
Love you.
We're on a cruise. A dolphin! Oh my gosh, there's a dolphin!
Where?
Right here, Johnny. Right there. He jumped out of the water. Right here.
Dolphin, right? Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's jumped. There he is. There's two of them.
We have downtown Miami, all the left side, we got the city of Freeport. But it's very
I take bad pictures. It tastes good.
Infinity. Johnny.
Pero si quieren poner más, 20, 50, 250, a mí no hay problema. Si no le gustó el tour, sí tendría que inscribirse. Important, but the most important part is that we spend this time selling Miami with people from all over the world. Learning, you have an amazing family city. You know where to go. Thank you very much.